Hi again, it's Nicole from Smiley Plays. For today we're going to be opening something I'm very excited about. I just got these in the mail and I've been waiting for them for a good few days now. It's these Animal Crossing Amiibo cards. I have 5 packs to open from Series 1. I just want to get right in them. So let's start here. I'm really hoping for KK Styles and Pudge. I have some scissors here. There we go. We have Octavian, Rasher, and Cap'n. Happy to have Octavian. Okay, next pack. Corner, top. Flo. I had her in my town. But then she went to my sister's. And then behind there we can see a yellow-orange card with a bear on it. I'm really hoping it's Pudge. And it's Pudge! I finally have Pudge. I'm so happy about Pudge. I love him so much. And we also have Lyle. I like how the shiny cards, or these special cards, there we go, are shiny. But I'm so happy I have this guy. Pack number 3. Corner, top. Okay. In this pack we have Bertha, Cole, and Looty. I haven't played the game yet, but Looty does seem interesting. I think she's a new character. But hey, time for pack number 4. I'm happy I haven't got any doubles yet. But I kind of wish I did have doubles to trade for something else. Okay, we've Puck, who's an ice skater. Cherie, I had her in my town once. She was nice. And we also have Tom Nook. I'm also happy to have Tom Nook. Okay, time for my last pack. Let's hope I have DJ KK, because he's another one that I wanted. We'll show the back. Might as well show the back first. I haven't done that. I really do like the back actually. The Amiibo settings would be in here probably. Yeah, it feels like it. Okay. We have Yuka. We have T-Bone. And we have Digby. Okay. I do think I like this. Gosh. So I have 15 cards out of 100 with no doubles. So now I have to go check these off my list and I guess we'll order some more when I can. But what cards do you have? Or what cards do you want? Were you happy with the ones you got? Comment down below and please like and subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next unboxing. Bye bye.